I've done this story because it's coming up to Christmas, and this simple Christmas story is for beginners. So if you have been looking at the phonics, maybe this is a really good story that you could read, because it's all about simple phonics patterns. The story today is called A Gift for Greg. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel if you are new. Today we're reading a simple story for ESL beginner learners. It is cold. Brad and Stan go to the shop. They need a gift. Grab the drum, says Brad. No, says Stan. Get a frog. Bad grins. A frog? Stan spots a sled. Yes, a red sled. Brad and Stan lift the sled. They put it in the bag. The sled is a hit. Good choice. Questions. Who bought a gift for Greg? Who bought a gift for Greg? If you do not know the answer, pause now, scroll back and see if you can find out the answer. Who bought a gift for Greg? Brad. Question number 2. What was Greg doing when Brad came in? Sitting by a fire with a mug. What was in the bag? What was in the bag? When they came out of the shop, what did they put in their bag? The sled. What did Greg and Brad do with the sled? They went to the snow and used the sled. So that was a Christmas story. Thank you so much for watching. Just for those beginner learners beginning to read and understand questions. So there's a Christmas tree. Do you have a Christmas tree in your house? Do you celebrate Christmas? Tell me about Christmas in your house. Maybe you don't have Christmas. Maybe you celebrate some other religious festival. Tell me about it. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more interesting videos like this. I'd love to hear from you. Bye bye for now.